Hey guys, what's going on? So today we took puppy Luke to get his first big boy shower or bath. I don't even know what you call that. And it was good. He did a really good job. Now he is knocked out. Look at that little face. He did a really good job. We went to I forgot the pet store name. Ooh. Trying to find it. We got a booklet. Where is it? Is it in the back? We got a booklet. We got half off this one food. I really don't know where it is. And then I really don't know where it is. I think it's in the back somewhere. But we got he got his shower for free because he was a puppy. That was his first time there. And then we got like a booklet discount. So we got a lot of stuff. So which is really, really cute. And he did such a good job. I'm so proud of Luke. So here is the vlog for today. Is all about Luke getting his first shower. And also, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do the bottom below here. Subscribe so you get to see more videos of Luke and my crazy self and my husband that's at Walmart right now trying to get something for the Christmas tree because we need to put that sucker away. Alright guys, till next time, bye.